Hey, you! From last coming here in the ocean.
What is that?
What's happening? Hey, move fast we can. I can do it, buddy. Along with stars.
Oh my god, it's a France.
Daniel. The network. You got it, buddy. Hey, over here now. Oh, we did.
What do you doing, Hal?
Nothing. There. Sorry.
Guys, stop! It is a house France. Leave me my hell alone.
Yes, but how is his boyfriend? He is good. Yes, being in the game is funny. We're not moving along there. Let me to explain. You tell us there's a creature is from the dinosaur? Reasons. Oh my god, are you from Miss? Yeah, Godzilla is a huge giant creature who looked like a dinosaur. Wait a minute. How friends? Yeah, Godzilla or Kong is a huge giant gorilla. There's a huge giant ape over here. But Godzilla and Kong is doing it to fight it.
Seen it count money in my dream. Yeah.
Wow, Godzilla idea. Wow, a new Drax.
No,
It's not.
rocks.
That's
How us
Grimlock. This is a name.
near the ground.
Grimlock is a
You are
fire is a
large. You
Jaffa. America.
Alright, let's get started ready to go. Let's fix it.
Alright, let's go. We're here now.
Hey,
What are you doing?
stop a time.
Aaron Brip.
You like
Godzilla.
our breath.
Let me start to the atomic breath.
Alright.
Alright.
Tower breath.
Now.
Alright, go!
What
How is
he doing?
he with the
Fire breath.
Fixing something.
Sounds good like Aaron Brip like Godzilla. Godzilla or Godzilla?
What? Calm
Down your
the rope
butt
to Nina
to the
eruption.
pen.
Oh,
How unique
it's somebody fixing the giant robot! Sorry.
Hal, are you right?
Yes,
I'm shouting.
about 300
100 seconds.
years ago.
Alright, let's make Apex is going now.
Hey guys.
Stay away, fella.